Jesus, we're gonna get in trouble tonight. I can already tell. I literally can't see any cops. Oh, do you want to go? He don't want this. What's up, guys? It is your boy FastLaneD, and today we need to have a little talk. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the cold start, baby. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, look at the green, look at the green. Oh, to the yellow. Yeah, Storm, I love you. One thing for sure, and that is that this bike never fails to put a smile on my face. Oh my goodness, Storm, I love you, girl. I love you. I mean, just listen. Oh, that is my bike. What? Oh my goodness. All right, let's ride. Yeah, buddy. I just realized that I've never done a night vlog with you guys on Storm. If you're not familiar, this is my 2014 Yamaha R1. Now, the number one question I always get asked on this bike is, what headlights do you have on the bike? And they're actually the stock headlights. All I did was change out the bulbs, so they're 3000K HID bulbs. I think they look awesome at night. One, it stands out. I'm a little more noticeable in cars. I don't really tend to ride the R1 at night. And the biggest reason is that the V-Rod has those awesome green lights, which is how she got the name Ivy, for Poison Ivy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see me? And so she's a lot more noticeable at night than on the R1. You can't miss those bright green lights. They're super obnoxious, but I freaking love it. You also can't see cops at night either, which kind of sucks. And you can't hit any back road twisties, because obviously who wants to be on a dark back road in the middle of the night? That's just asking for some trouble. I think I'll pass on that. Oh, just listen to this thing, man. Oh, God, I love this bike. But yeah, right now we are headed to my boy Connor's house with the CBR600rr. We're going on a quick Sunday evening ride. Like I said, I got to be on my P's and Q's out here at night in the city. Also, biggest thing is the drunk drivers. There's a lot higher percentage of people that drink that are on the road at night than during the day. This is not really worth the risk, in my opinion. I'd rather ride the V-Rod and be super noticeable and obnoxious and just be cruising than be out on the sport bikes acting a fool. But tonight, I just need to get out on the bike and kind of clear my head. I'm sure from the title and thumbnail, you guys can tell why I needed some throttle therapy tonight. But let's get to my boy Connor's house first before we get into the story. Oh, we got a bridge. Oh. It never fails to make me smile. Never. Damn, that sucks. Oh man. Right straight into the Acura. You guys good?
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why is there so much traffic? Part of me really just wants to split all this. Oh wow, they're leaving. Dang, he got 2 big ass dents in his car. Wow. Dude, you just got lucky as hell. Unless they already called the insurance. Tell me why I should not split this. I mean, look at that. Look at that open pathway. Why is lane splitting not a thing when traffic is standing still? Like, I think it's perfectly safe to split right now. Now, again, when traffic's moving, it may not be at the best time, but sitting still like this? Oh my goodness, what is going on? Ooh, the Harley, bro. We got accidents on accidents on accidents. People probably on their phones. Damn, that sucks. Oh, God. And we are almost there. Man, what do you guys think about the yellow headlights? Do you like them, dislike them? They really are easy on my eyes. And I had a guy post a comment on my video where I compared my 5K and these 3K headlights. He went into all the differences, and I mean, I think it's true. Like, I feel like I can see better with these lights long term. They're not as fatiguing on my eyes. I can see just as much with these as I can with the 5K. We made it. Oh, there it is. Yo, what up, man? You got the ponytail on today. See, your other one does not work at all. The other headlight. I can see your finger in there. That's funny. Look at that. That lithium battery starts you right up. We recording? Yes, we are. I have no idea where we're going, but we're going. Oh, traction control already not happy. But alright, to get into the real reason why you clicked on this video, you guys have seen my girlfriend on the channel. She made one video together on the V-Rod where we both got on the V-Rod and rode it. And I kind of gave my tips on how to ride with a passenger. I like the jacket. The polo jacket, let's go. Gotta look fresh on the bikes. You know who that is? Got random girls waving at us. No, if you buy a motorcycle, it will not help you get girls. You like riding at night or no?
I used to when I had 2 lights.
Connor's trying to play, man. Connor's gonna be in trouble out here because I can't see no cops. Oh my God, are we gonna get interrupted by every red light? I would like to finish my story. Whoop! But anyways, the end of the story. So we've been dating for 2 years. And I mean, it was great. Like, everything was good. This past like weekend or two, I like brought her down to meet all my close friends because one of my boys that I grew up with got married. So obviously everyone was there. And it's rare that we can get everyone together like that. So she got to meet everyone and kind of see our environment, and she got along with everyone and she loved it. She had a great time. And we met at the gym. I saw her and I was like, oh my gosh, Becky, look at that butt. Just kidding. I was like, damn, who that? I need me some of that though. I was like, that's what I'm talking about, boy. So we met her at the gym. And I mean, just kind of hit it off from there. Like I said, we dated for 2 years. Everything was great. Like, she's one of the few girls that I really trusted with like everything, without a shadow of a doubt. And if you've ever been hurt in the past, you know how hard it can be to trust someone 100% like that. But I did with her. She was just genuinely a good girl. Where we started having, I wouldn't even call them issues. It's just we didn't align on our views of what we wanted in the future. And she wants to stay in Kentucky, which is where I am right now, Lexington. I'm from Atlanta. I moved up here for graduate school, and I just had so many great opportunities that I ended up staying. But I don't love it here. In the next 5 years, I don't want to be still in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm used to the big city, a lot going on, like a lot faster paced, motorcycle scene, car scene, everything just being, that's just what I grew up around, and that's what I'm used to. Extremely diverse, like not good old country horse town place, Lexington. And there's nothing wrong with that. that's just not something that I grew up with and something that I really enjoy. And I'll go watch the races and do all that other fun stuff, but I'm not passionate about that, if that makes sense. Man, all the accidents in Popo today. And when I say like everything was normal, everything was normal. Like earlier in the day, like we'd hung out, you know, done some adult things, like everything felt fine, like completely fine. And she texted me and was like, hey, like, can we talk? And as a guy, you know, when you hear can we talk, like it's never a good conversation. Like it's not gonna work out in your favor. It's not like she's gonna be like, hey, like you've just been killing it, like you've been such an awesome boyfriend. Like when you hear the words can we talk, it's usually like, ah shit. So I start running back in my head for like the past week. I'm like, what have I done wrong? Is like there anything that I did bad, like could have done better? And like there's just nothing that's coming to mind. Absolutely nothing. I must say, that scared the hell out of me. You think he wants to play? We got the sheriff over there. Hell yeah, he can join. He can't catch us in the truck. We're good. We got some shenanigans going on. Oh, here we go. I literally can't see any cops. I hate this. Oh, do you want to go? Oh, he doesn't. He don't want this. All right. Settle down. All right, back to my story. Jesus, we're gonna get in trouble tonight. I can already tell. So what it comes down to, man, I keep getting distracted. Is what she wants in the future is not what I want in the future. I'm 27 years old, and I feel like I have so many goals and things in life that I want to accomplish before I settle down. Because I know once you settle down and start having kids and you have a family, like you have a lot more responsibility. So you can't take as many risks as you once were able to. And I'm not ready for all that yet. And it really sucks because we got along so well. And there's no like bad blood or anything. It's just that out of life right now we want two different things. She's ready to get engaged, start having kids, and start that aspect of her life. And she wants to stay here in Kentucky. And I'm not. Like I want to do so much more career-wise before I settle for all that stuff. And it's hard. Like it sucks. But I know if I were to settle, that I would regret it, and I would always resent her for it, and that would not be fair to her. And vice versa, it goes both ways. If she were to settle and wait a few more years before she did all that stuff, then she might end up resenting me. And like I said, it sucks, because neither of us want that. And it's hard, because like I said, we're still cool, like we're still cordial. I still love her, she still loves me. I don't know, I feel like this is worse than having a big traumatic event happening and causing us to break up than just us not being able to see eye to eye on the future. But I know if it were to go on, if we were to keep dating, that this issue is just going to keep coming up. Like it's not something that's just going to go away. So I don't know, I've been kind of in a weird place the last few days with everything. I like how he flashed this guy to get out of the way. It's been doing a lot of thinking, and it's kind of like it's his life, man. What are you gonna do? But everything happens for a reason. I'm a firm believer in that. Everything happens for a reason. It may not make sense in the moment, but at some point in life, whenever something pivotal has happened or sad has happened or a big change, you look back and you're like, oh, now I see why that happened. Right now I don't know why, but I guess it is what it is. Hell yeah, man, that thing's sweet, dude. Hell yeah.
There's no way else to y'all.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah, man. My buddy's got one.
What is it?
My buddy's got one.
I just got it, but I don't ride it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no way in hell.
That's awesome, man. It's always fun having a good time with car guys. Is that the V6? Someone that's in the Charger realm, tell me the specs on that thing. But yeah, I just need to get on the bike and kind of vent, have some fun. This is exactly what I needed. Out with my boy Connor, doing hooligan stuff, man, because like I said, no matter what's going on in life, having the bike has always just helped me get through stuff. So if you got something negative to say, your comment's gonna get deleted. So don't even bother commenting something negative. But I appreciate y'all's support. All this means is that now I have more time to even dedicate towards the channel. It's just time to put my head down and grind. Not worry about all the other stuff, it'll fall into place. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna turn around before this guy gets us into some trouble. Oh, there he goes. FastLaneD's out, baby.